Hi, this is a walkthrough of task 169, simplifying expressions. I know what that was. Anyway, so this is just adding and taking away expressions, so hopefully not a big deal. So a plus a plus a plus a is my first question, and all I've got there is 1a, 2a's, 3a's, 4a's, and that's as straightforward as it gets really. The next one, b plus b plus b plus c plus c plus c plus c, c plus c, is equal to, well, there's 1, 2, 3 B's there, plus there are 1, 2, 3, 4 C's. So it's just 3 B's and 4 C's, and you can't do anything with this thing, you just leave that alone. The next one, I've got D plus E plus E plus D plus D. So on that one, if I look at the D's, there's 1 D plus another D, that's 2, plus another one, that's 3 D's, plus there's 1, 2 E's, so plus 2 E's. So that's that one. Next one, if I've got 10 G's and I take away a G, then I'm left with 9 G's. Okay, so 10 G's would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 G's. And if you just take one away, then you're left with 9 G's. So that's why that one's 9G, not just the number 10. In the similar way, if I have 11 A's and I take away an A, that's 10 of them. If I take away another one, that's 9 left. I take another one, that's 8. Take another one, that's 7 A's left. So on that one, I've got 7 A's. Next one, 10 B's plus another 3 B's is just 13 B's. 10 plus 3 is 13. Next one is 6D plus 8E plus 8D plus 11E. Now if you look at the D's, I've got 6 D's there, plus an 8D is 14 D's. Plus, and I've got plus 8 plus 11 is plus 19, lots of the E's. The next one, I've got 8M. Plus 5n, take away 2m's, plus 9n, so I'm in the take away world, a little bit hard. 8, take away 2 is just 6m's, and then plus 5n's and 9n's is 14n's, and you can't do anything with that, so you leave it alone. 13p plus 19q plus another p, so it's 14p so far, but then I'm taking away 5 q's and I'm taking away 3 p's. So you look at the p's first, then you look at the q's. Usually look at them in alphabetical order, because maths would like the system to work properly, so it's got to be ordered. So 13p plus another p is 14p, then take away those ones, that leaves me with 11p. Then I've got 19 q's, but take away 5, so that's 14 q's, and there's no more, so it's plus 14q. That's the end of that one. Next one, I've got 15 A's plus 20 B's plus 5 C's plus 2 C's, there's 7 of them, but take away 4 B's and take away 6 A's. So I'm looking along the lines for A's first. So 15 A's, take away 6 A's is 9A, 15 take away 6. 20 B's, take away 4 B's is plus 16B. And then I've got 5 C's and 2 C's, which is plus 7 C's. And that's page 1. Okay, page 2 we've got, first of all I've got this triangle, and I'm asked to work out the perimeter. Now the perimeter of a triangle is just add up the edges, so if I've got this triangle and I've got 9x take away 7w there, 5x's plus 8y's there, and 3y's plus 4w here. If I look at the x's first, so I've got 9 plus 5 is 14, so I've got 14 x's going around the shapes of the perimeter. Xy comes next, so I've got 8y plus 3y is plus 11y. And then I look at the w's, and I've got minus 7 plus 4. Now minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3, so I've got minus 3 w's at the end. So this is the perimeter, so the perimeter is equal to that lot for the question. Okay. Next one, I'll just click on the mouse so I can't see what I'm doing now. So the next one I've got a whole load of letters. Now you just got to work these out really. So it'd be useful if you had a piece of paper to work these out and just write them down. Take 15y plus 5w plus 6x plus 7y. So if we look at this one, look at the x's. I've got 5x's there and 6x's, that's 11x. So that's the x's gone. For y's, I've got minus 7y plus 7, minus 15 plus 7, 7 and 15, that's minus 8y's. So that's the y's gone. And then I've got 9w at the end, plus 9w, so that's what that simplifies down to. So the next one, I've got 6w plus 6y plus 5x plus 6x minus 14y plus 4 W's. So let's look at the x's. So x and x is there, says 11 x's again, so same as that one so far. The y's, I've got 6y, but I'm taking away 14, so that's minus 8y again, so that's okay. So that one's alright. And then I've got 4 w's and 6 w's, so that's 10 w's. So they're not the same, because that's got slightly more w's. The next one I've got is 4x minus 2y plus 14w minus 6y minus 5w plus 7x. Right, let's look at the x's. So I've got 4x's and 7x's is 11. I've got minus 2y's, minus 6y's, that's minus 8y's. So that's good so far. And then I've got 14w, take away 5w is 14, take away 5 is plus 9w's. So these two are now the same. So the last one, let's see for the last one, I've got 4w minus 6x minus y plus 5w plus 17x minus 7y. So I've got x's, minus 6 plus 17 is 11x's. So that's the x's. Looks at the y's, minus 7 and minus 1 is minus 8y. So that one's okay. And then 4 and 5 is plus 9w's. So if I look at that, I've got 1, 2, 3, which are the same. So they're all equal, those three. That's the end of simplifying 1. I don't know why it says do not factorise the answer. So I guess we're not going to factorise it anyway. Anyway, that was the end of 169 simplifying 1. Okay, good luck.